म्हाका दोतोर सावंताक सांगपाक आसा, आमी परत सांगत आयिल्ले आसा की लोकांक दोश दिवपाचें बंद करात. लोक लेट येना, लोकांक जर एम्बुलन्स ना पयलीं म्हणल्यार, दुसरे लोकांक बेड्स ना, तेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री वा प्लीज तुका विनंती आसा, पॉलिटिकल इगो सोडून पॉलिटिक्स करनासतना लोकांचे जे त्रास जाता ते समजून घे आनी योग्य तो उपाय कर अशी तुजे कडेन विनंती करता.
Vishwajit Rane, you're a big liar and you don't have anything provided for the patients, whether they are suspected COVID patients or patients who are tested positive. Everyone is in a very miserable state over here at GMC. And today my parents are witnessing it and we are here trying to get them a bed and there is no bed at GMC or no provision at all even for the suspected cases. Shame on the government for such pathetic healthcare system.
हांव मागता की जाता तितले बेगीन वॅक्सिन्स हाडात. I don't know when the government, BJP Sarkar is at the center. What is there for BJP Sarkar to get 24 lakhs vaccines and make it available to the youth? And last, oxygens बाबा तूं आनी दुसऱ्यांचे चिंत नाका. तूं ऑक्सिजन हांगा लेस जाता ते पयले पळय आनी लोक मरपाक लागला ते पयले पळय. You all don't deserve to sit. CM should go home. CM should resign.